Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Happy Wednesday. And kamusta kayo? So long time no read na naman tayo. So it's been 3 days na hindi tayo ulit nakapag-upload, but today we are going to do a short pick up pile reading. Okay? Para sa mga subscribers ko, para sa mga person na hindi pa in relationship. So, po pwedeng situationship, pwede pang no title, okay? Or parang wala pa kayong, parang MU. Yan, ganyan. So, titingnan natin. Papunta ba sa commitment ang connection nyo nitong person na to? Okay, so, para sa mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, hello, welcome sa Liluna Tarot, and para sa mga existing subscribers ko is hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Again, this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader. Okay, and in a while mag-start na tayo ng ating pick a pile or pick a card reading. So again, this is a straightforward short pick a pile reading. So paalala lang, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo is ayos lang din. Okay? So for this reading is for entertainment purposes only. So wag seryosohin. Okay guys? So sa harapan ninyo, we have two pile. Okay? This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Again, this is a straightforward pick a pile reading. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Papunta ba sa commitment ang connection mo dito sa person na ito? So, meditate on your cards. Tapos, piliin mo yung pile na tinatawag yung attention mo. Kasi mostly, yun ang mag-resonate sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, so this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Papunta ba sa connection or papunta ba sa commitment ang connection mo dito sa person na ito? Okay, so choose your pile now and we will start na. Papunta ba sa commitment yung connection mo dito sa person na ito? Okay, so kung nakapili ka na ng pile, we are going to start sa pile number 1. So, itatabi lang muna natin si pile number 2 dito sa may tabi. Okay. And then, babasahin na natin tong cards mo para number 1. So, papunta ba sa commitment itong connection mo dito sa person na to? So, 3 types of cards yung ginamit natin dito. So, 2 oracle and then isang tarot card. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Wow. For some of you, um, meron akong nakikita dito na merong mahiyain or meron pang parang hindi pa lapat yung loob dun sa person. Siguro, someone is parang hesitant to show na may feelings na siya dito sa other person kasi syempre, ayaw niya masira siguro yung tingin sa kanya. Whether, if you're a female, di ba? Usually man sa ating mga babae ganon. Okay, so express your love daw. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Wow. So there's a magnetic pull or hard pull sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So it can be strong yung chemistry nyo. Okay? Strong yung parang pagkakatulad ninyong dalawa. But sometimes, pagka halimbawang strong kasi yung magnetic pull, doon lumalabas yung fear. 'Di ba? Parang bakit kaya strong yung yung pull ko dito sa person na to? Kaya mostly ang nararamdaman natin agad pagka ganyan ka-strong or parang iba yung yung intensity is fear. You deserve love. You are lovable. Wow. So, for some of you, siguro, hesitant ka kasi ayaw mo ma-reject. Or, parang iniisip mo parang parang out of my league itong person na ito. Parang out of my league ko siya kasi parang parang hindi ka makapaniwala, pile number one na, talaga ba? Ano ba kami? Soulmate ba kami? Or talaga bang para kami sa isa't isa kasi parang alam mo yon um, takot ka sigurong ma-reject. Meron akong nararamdaman na for some of you is takot ma-reject. Or mababa yung self-esteem. Yung iba sa inyo But sabi dito, you are lovable. So again, this is an angel, advice. You deserve love. Deception. Someone is wearing a false self-mask in this relationship. So, dun sa connection nyo daw, someone is wearing a false self-mask. So, ibig sabihin, this is resonated dito sa card na express your love. Kasi, when we are not truly expressing ourselves, kapag hindi natin sinasabi yung totoong nararamdaman natin, um, parang na rin yun, parang you are being deceptive. Alam mo yun, yung parang you know on yourself na you have feelings to this person, you know on yourself na you love already this person, you know on yourself na there is a connection between sa inyong dalawa, pero you choose not to express your feelings, you choose not to talk, okay, about your emotions, parang gano'n. So, ibig sabihin, someone here is parang deceptive. Hindi nagsasabi ng totoo, hindi honest. Okay? Kasi nga, siguro nga, there is a fear here na pwedeng ma-reject ka na itong person kasi nga iniisip mo na you are out of um, parang out of your league. Okay? So, let's see muna sa tarot card bago natin i-open yung heart-shaped message mo, pile number 1. Okay? So, we will see on your tarot if papunta ba sa commitment yung connection mo dito sa person na to. Okay? Again, guys, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Nine of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is independent, single, okay? Successful, stable, wealthy, abundant, okay, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, you are good when it comes to finances, okay? You, I don't know why you are, hindi ko alam pa number one, if you're the one who is nakakaramdam ng parang you don't deserve love dito sa person na ito, nakakonnection mo. Kasi meron naman ako nakikita na pwede na this person is independent financially while you is on the process or vice versa. Okay, so take what's resonant. Siguro, someone here is nakakaramdam ng parang um, not enough. Okay? Kaya hindi nag-express ng love kasi the other person is stable on other areas while ikaw, pakiramdam mo sa sarili mo is you're not ready. Parang ganon. Meron ako nakikitang ganon. With the Nine of Pentacles here. Pero sinasabi rin ng card, okay guys babasahin ko siya on any side, okay? Para at least lahat ng instances or lahat ng ng messages is makuha ninyo para mag-resonate sa inyo, okay? So meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you, hindi mo nakikita yung sarili mo bilang successful. Para sa'yo, you're still not enough. Meron ako nararamdaman na gano'n. Um, kasi Nine of Pentacles here is you're um, independent na, stable ka eh. So, bakit ka natatakot na magmahal or bakit ka natatakot na pumasok sa pag-aasawa, sa commitment, sa connection, di ba? Parang ganun. Ganun yung nakikita dito, okay? So, let's see. Two of Pentacles, di ba? Juggling. Okay? Juggling whether you want to express yourself to this person or not. Juggling whether you push this connection or not. So, meron din ako nakikita dito dahil intense yung chemistry, intense yung energy, takot, fear. Okay, fear of fear of being rejected or fear na baka ma-fall ka ng sobra-sobra dito sa person na kakonect mo. Okay, so take what's resonate again, guys. So, po pwedeng you are trying to find your balance here, whether parang chill ka lang, chill sa connection ninyo. Kahit na sa pakiramdam mo is parang sasabog ka na, parang, alam mo yung parang miss na miss mo na siya, pero pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo. Kahit na alam mo may strong magnetic attraction ka para dito sa person na to, you are still balancing yourself. Okay? Balance yourself. Balance your emotion. Okay? So, po pwedeng nag-uway ka rin ng meron ako nakikita sa inyo na for some of you, pa number one, you are advanced masyado. Parang you are, you are thinking na agad yung pinaka-worst. Na if ever na ganito yung gawin niya, ganito yung mangyari, parang ano yung magiging step ko on that para hindi ako masaktan or para hindi ako madihado, etc. etc. Okay? Next. Nine of Swords. Overthinking. Worry. Okay? Fear. Ano sabi ko? Fear. You are fear dito sa connection na to, whether ikaw yun or yung kakonect mo. Kasi, intense nga yung energy between sa inyong dalawa eh. So, ibig sabihin, merong takot dito na ayokong ma-fall ng sobra dito sa person na to kasi ayokong masaktan ng sobra. Well, hindi mo masasabing nagmahal ka if you are fear kung you are fear na masaktan. Alam mo yun, di ba? Talagang part ng love, yung whether naka-ready ka na masasaktan ka. Pero syempre, you know na you deserve love. Kasi ito na nga yung angel, di ba? Angel advice about love, di ba? Na you are lovable. Di ba? You deserve love. Okay? Whether ikaw yung hindi nag-express ng love or itong person na ito. So, yan yung advice. Okay? So, stress, okay? Masyado kang na-overwhelm. Someone here in this connection is overwhelmed doon sa magnetic attraction nyo. Okay? Pile number one. O pwedeng biglaan din kasi to or parang hindi mo inaasahan. Yung parang you are happily single, you are sanay na sa buhay na single, you are just minding your own business, you are focused on your career, then biglang boom, pinadaan tong person na to sa life mo and what? Parang alam mo yun, yung parang ang tagal ko ng single, etc. etc. Pero nung dumaan tong person na to, parang biglang nag-stop yung world ko. Kaya someone here is overwhelmed, you know? Pero meron din ako nakikita dito na fear of, meron din ako naramdaman na parang fear of, pagka hindi ko sinabi sa kanya, alam mo yun, parang baka hindi ko na masabi sa kanya yung totoong nararamdaman ko or baka anytime maging parang alam mo yun, parang maging in relationship. Alam mo, meron ako nakukuha sa inyo ha. Pwedeng nasa friendship stage pa kayo. Itong person na to, pile number one. Meron ako na kaya, pwedeng this is a circle of friend, a co-worker, parang gano'n. Meron ako nakikita na hindi pa, pero you know na there is something between sa inyong dalawa. Body language, yung tingin, basta there is yung pull. Alam mo yun eh. I know na naiintindihan niyo, yung parang yung pull ng energy. There is something between sa inyong dalawa, nakakonect mo. Okay? Page of Swords, air sign. Can be, you can be an air sign. Pile number one, an earth sign. Okay? So, po pwedeng for some of you, you delayed the connection or yung sa po pwede pang, yung potential. Okay? Kung sino man yung deceptive dito and not expressing emotion, you delay the connection ninyong dalawa. Okay? And it po pwede din siguro if itong person na to yung parang urong-sulong or not expressing, okay, not expressing pa nung totoong emotion, pero kahit na may mga hint na ibinibigay sa'yo, meron akong nakikita dito na there is a long patience needed, okay? O pwedeng guarded ka din, okay? Protective of yourself. Ayun yun eh, yun yung defense mechanism yun guys. You're protective on yourself, kaya nag-iingat ka kasi ayaw mo masaktan. For someone to take what's resonate, guys, okay? Um, may nakikita ko sa inyo na you are an overthinker. Overthinker ka, pile number one, or itong person na to is overthinker. Okay, can be an air sign and earth sign again, ha? Sinasabi ko. So, pwedeng ikaw o itong person na to is planning or carefully planning, okay? Just, alam mo yun, nagmamasid lang, okay, naghihintay lang. Nag-iingat kasi to sa kilos eh. Sa sasabihin, sa kilos, kasi nga, protective sa emotions or sa sarili niya. So, it can be ikaw to ha, par number one. Oh, okay. For some of you, there is a additional message. Par number one, it can be kaya, this is your friend, okay? Meron ako nakitang energy dito and scenario na it can be this is a friend or a coworker and you know that pwedeng this person is in relationship pa. Okay? Connected pa sa other person. Kaya, ah, hindi pa ma-express yung love. Okay? Delayed pa. Delayed pa yung connection. Okay? Meron ako nakita ito na may isa sa inyo connected pa sa iba. Or parang meron ako nakita dito na it can be the other person is looking somewhere else or nakatingin sa other person kasi hindi alam nitong person na to kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Meron akong naramdaman na ganun guys ha, take what's resonate. Hindi alam nitong person na to yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya, kaya this person is sa iba nakatingin. Hindi siya nakapokus sa'yo. Sana nakukuha nyo nakukuha nyo kung ano yung ibig ko. Kasi nga, hindi mo ini-express kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Takot ka na sabihin. Nagkakaroon tuloy ng anxiety. Kaya meron din ditong Two of Pentacles, juggling. Right? Okay. Page of Cups. Can be a water sign. Okay. Iba sa inyo sensitive. Ooh. If this is a crush or you admire this person, inspiration mo tong person na to, you're just looking, yung parang you're just looking at her or at him, parang sinusubaybayan mo lang siya, hindi ka pa nag express ng love, or you want to express your emotion or your love dito, pero hindi pa, may nakikita ko ditong hindi pa nangyayari kasi, um, ano nga ba sabihin? Confused or nagdadalawang isip. Nagmamasid. naghihintay, pero gusto nang mag-offer ng yung magtapat ng emotion, whether yung lalaki 'to or yung babae. Ano 'to, soon mag-e-express 'to ng emotion, ng love, okey? So take what's resonate, guys. Hindi pa nag-e-express ng emotion, pinag-iisipan pa, nagdadalawang isip pa, meron akong nakikita. Wow! Four of Pentacles. Wow! If you have a deep personal past issues, pile number one, okay, meron ako nakikita dito. Isa sa reason yon kung bakit may delay sa connection. Whether ikaw to or yung person na nakakonekta mo. Takot masaktan, holding on, okay? Takot masaktan, holding on for dear life, okay? Takot mag-risk. Meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you, not anyone makaka-resonate. Meron ako nakikita na for some of you, mabilis kang ma-fall, mabilis kang matagal kang makamove on. You are holding on to a person kapag minahal mo. Message yun na narinig ko. May abandonment issue, takot na maiwan, takot na masaktan, gusto na control yung situation. Pero din ako nakikita na for some of you, dahil nga feeling mo you're not stable po when it comes sa financial, kaya ayaw mag-risk. Okay. Nine of Cups. Wish fulfillment. Uh, well, pile number one. I will I will say it straightly, okay. If you feel that this person will be a wish fulfillment, okay, or makakapagpasaya sa'yo, it's okay to express yourself, okay, express your emotion, okay, dito sa person na to. Whether stable ka na or not, walang mawawala if you express yourself, okay? Kung ikaw man to, pile number one or yung kakonekta mo, yung nakukuha kong energy. Kasi, if you keep a positive mind, there is a big chance here na maging masaya ka. Okay? Kasi you deserve love. Kung nasaktan ka man before, kasi meron ako nakita ditong past issue Okay? Though limited lang kasi syempre yung cards natin is iilan lang. Um, you deserve love. Okay? This is a once in a lifetime commitment. So meron akong nakita na this is a once in a lifetime commitment. So, ano Be confident para dun sa mga taong uh, hindi masyadong confident sa kanilang sarili. Okay. Be confident sabi dito. Kasi you are lovable, you deserve love. Okay? Walang mawawala sa if you express yourself. Kasi hindi naman lalabas dito yung Nine of Pentacles if uh, hindi ka stable. Okay? So, Page of Cups, okay, kung ikaw man yung masculine dito, express your love. Kasi, papunta ng commitment. Okay? So, papunta bang commitment ang connection ninyo? Pa number one, yes. Yes. Papunta ng commitment. Kasi wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups. For some of you, use your intuition, okay? So, nasa sa inyo pa rin kung susundin ninyo yung nasa card pile number one, okay? So, let's see yung messages mo. Nakikita nyo ba yung images dito? Very beautiful, di ba? This is divinely guided. Kung makikita mo yung dove, okay, and then yung connection, then may flower here. This is divinely guided. Ooh! Twin flames, your passion ignites. You know why there is a strong magnetic attraction between the two of you. Kasi it can be a twin flame. Right? And look at this card. Di ba? So let's see. Friendship. Nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship and your love life will dramatically improve. Wow! Ano sabi ko? Anong sabi ko kanina? This can be a circle of friend. Okay? And this friend, whether this is the masculine or feminine, etc., vice versa, friend mo to na hindi niya alam na may gusto ka sa kanya. Or hindi mo alam na gusto ka nitong person na to. Pile number one. Yes. Kasi kung titingnan nyo to this is a three person. Okay, so, kung pwedeng, sabi ko nga, di ba, this is a friend na hindi mo alam na this friend is has a crush on you, admire you, okay, um, love you. So, papunta ba sa commitment yung connection nyo? Yes. Kasi nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship and your love life will dramatically improve. Okay? So, I hope number one, nag-resonate sa'yo yung topic natin and reading natin for today. So, hindi ko napapatagalan. I will go to pile number two. Okay, pile number two. Papunta ba sa commitment yung connection mo dito sa person mo? So, we will see. Okay, this is three type of cards, okay? One tarot card and then two oracle card. Okay? So, let's see. Papunta ba sa commitment yung connection mo dito sa person na to? File number two. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Wow. You need to love yourself first daw. Nako, file number two. Mahal mo ba yung sarili mo? Ngayon, ang sabi ng angel is love yourself first. Bakit kaya yan yung sabi? Kung titingnan natin, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Okay, I know na. So this is an energy of um trigger warning. Take what's resonate again, guys. So po pwedeng may nangyari on the past. Po pwedeng may nanloko sa'yo, may nanakit sa'yo, and still, for some of you, still not forgiving, and merong lesson na hindi pa na nare-realize and natututunan. Okay? Kasi kung matagal na kayo sa channel natin, guys, I always say, okay, if there is a lesson na hindi mo pa natututunan, paulit-ulit yung babalik. Okay? So, bawat commitment or bawat relationship natin or bawat cycle natin sa person, there is a lesson or upgrade na kailangan na makomplete. Okay? Kasi para hindi ka na bumalik ulit doon. Okay? So, love yourself first, forgiving and learning. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So, what do you want? Pile number 2. What do you want? Do you want to heal? Do you want to love? Okay? Do you want a relationship? Anong gusto mo? So, very soon, you need to clear your mind. Okay? What do you want? Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So, for some of you, you can be single. Okay? And kakahiwalay lang. Okay? Meron ako nakita sa inyo na you can be matagal ng single or kakahiwalay lang or parang nabobored, okay, na parang parang you want a relationship na agad, parang gano'n. Even though you know na kailangan pang mag-heal, kailangan pang ma-resolve yung mga traumas mo from the past relationship, okay? Meron kasi ako nakikita dito na meron po pwedeng nanakit sa'yo, pile number 2. So, be clear on what you want. You want ba the past person or you want a new one, a new person? So nasa sayo. Kasi kung ano yung minamanifest natin, kung ano yung iniisip natin, most of the time, ayun kasi yung dumadaan or nangyayari. Okay, so with the love yourself first and attraction, you need to love yourself first. Um, kailangan mong mag-focus sa sarili. Kasi if you heal yourself, if you love yourself, automatic yun kasi na ma-attract mo yung right person. Pero if you don't heal, if you don't forgive yung tao na nakit sa'yo, if you don't forgive yourself kasi nagkamali ka sa decision, always wrong person or broken soul yung ma-attract mo. So, I hope nakukuha mo yung ibig kong sabihin. File number 2. So, tingnan natin. Papunta ba sa commitment yung connection mo dito sa person na to? So, we will see. Um, Six of Pentacles. Meron ako dito nakikita na masyado kang generous sa time mo. File number 2. O pwede rin there is no equal give and take sa relationship na nangyari sa'yo before. O pwedeng ikaw yung pour ng pour. Ikaw yung bigay ng bigay. Ikaw yung parang hinahayaan mo maging doormat ka. Sorry ha, trigger warning. Okay? Para hindi lang magtalo, para hindi lang mag-away, para hindi maghiwalay. You always um, ano nga ba ito? You always extend yourself. Even though may nakikita ka ng red flag. May nakikita rin ako na you are kind kasi. Oo, you are kind. Uh, Meron din ako nakikita dito na wag mong hahayaan na sayangin yung oras mo. Okay? Ng, ng kakonect mo, ng tao. Kasi kung paano mo mahalin yung sarili mo, ayun yung kung paano mo minamahal yung sarili mo, pinapakita mo dun sa ibang tao kung na ito, yung kailangan mo akong i-respect, parang gano'n. Six of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so another card signifying a new beginning. You are in a new cycle, okay, new beginning. So po pwedeng, hindi ko sinabing new cycle is new relationship na ha. It can be you are in a new start na. So yung cycle mo before is already ended. Okay? Po pwedeng maraming opportunities ngayon sa'yo. Pile number 2. So, keep in mind keep in mind. So, this is the right time again to manifest. So, if may gusto kang gawin, ang sabi dito, be clear on what you want. So, para dumating sa'yo or ibigay sa'yo very soon. Okay, so what do you want? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, pile number 2, what do you want? The Emperor. If you want a partner, okay, a stable partner, manifest. Okay, kung yun ang gusto mo. Pile number 2. Hmm. Focused, okay? You need to discipline yourself, okay? Discipline yourself also. Empress. You need to nurture yourself, okay? Nurture your femininity. Empress here is sitting on his throne, on her throne. Sorry. You can be a Taurus, an earth sign. Meron ako nakikitang earth sign kasi color green. Okay. And pa pwede yung kakonect mo is an Aries or a fire sign. Anong sabi ko? You're still grieving. You're, for some of you you're still not move on or forgive what happened on the past. Here, tingnan mo Five of Cups, crying over spilled cup. Okay? Nakafocus ka dun sa lost. Ano ka masyado kang nakafocus ka dun sa thought na bakit ako iniwan, bakit ako niloko, bakit ganun yung ginawa niya, gato ganyan, I don't know. May yung iba sa inyo, parang nanglilimos pa ng oras or nangihingi pa ng oras. I don't know kung nakikipagbalikan pero may nakita ko na na nangihingi ng oras. You can you can have an abandonment issue, pile number 2. Nagkaroon ka rin siguro ng trauma doon sa heartbreak na nangyari. Hindi ka sanay na nag-iisa, hindi ka sanay ng single. You are dependent to a partner or guys, wag kayo magagalit sa akin. So, sinasabi ko nung kung ano yung nababasa ko, You have an emotional, you are emotionally unstable. Meron ako nakikita dito kasi ano eh, meron ako ditong ano eh, nakikita na people pleaser, nakadepende sa partner, yung happiness, nakafocus sa loss. You need to heal. Pile number two. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. If you want a partner, soon, yes, it will manifest. Pero you need to love yourself first. Yeah. O pwedeng galing ka sa toxic na relationship, toxic na partner. Kasi may nakita ko ditong kind eh. Kind person ka sa pagmahal. Queen of Pentacles. You need to focus on your finances. Then, you can do an earth sign. Pwedeng ano, nag-cheat sa'yo to or pwedeng niloko ka, pinagpalit ka. Pwedeng may nabuntes, iniwanan ka, may nabuntes na iba. O pwedeng binuntis ka, tas iniwanan ka. So take what's resonate. Pile number two. You need to forgive this person. Kung ano man yung ginawa nitong person sa'yo. I know hindi to yung topic nung reading natin ngayon, pero kasi ito yung nababasa kong energy. You need to heal yourself first. And po pwedeng yun kasi yung iniisip mo right now. Yung connection mo pa rin na yun na nangyari before. Kaya ito yung lumabas sa reading pile number 2. Makikita mo dito sa unang card na to, two-person yan. Okay, so namamalimos ng oras. Two-person. So, ibig sabihin, it can be a third-party situation, okay? Humihingi ng attention, humihingi ng suporta, humihingi ng time. Okay? Nagmamakaawa na humingi ng time dun sa other person. Which is yung person na guy, whether this is a guy or a female, is may other person. Nakikita mo, third party. May nabuntis. Three pa din to. Three of Pentacles. Meron akong third party na nakikita dito. Pile number 2. So, you need to, learn, okay? Kung pwedeng mag-study ka, okay? Mag-aral ka ng mga new skills, okay? Grow yourself. Meron akong nakikita dito, you need to take care of yourself, pile number 2. You need to reach your goal and be dedicated. Okay, meron akong nakita dito na magkaroon ka ng self-respect, self-worth. Okay? Tingnan mo, your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Nakikita nyo ba? Kasi kung hinahayaan mo na nagiging doormat ka and wala kang self-respect, mas lalong hindi ka nagiging attractive dito sa person na to. Kung gusto mo man makuha itong person ulit na to na nag-cheat or tumingin sa iba, so take what's resonate. Pero ako ang tatanungin nyo ha, it's better to move on and find someone new. If this person is nag-cheat, yes. O, di ba? Seven of Cups. Choices. Lots of option. Choices. Well, marami kang choice. Pile number 2. There is a lot of fish in the ocean. Marami kang choice. Hindi lang tong person na to na nagloko sa'yo or nagbigay ng heartbreak sa'yo, ng heartache, okay? Sumira ng tiwala mo, naging dahilan kung bakit nawalan ka ng confidence sa sarili mo, Okay? Marami kang choice. There is a need to have a decision na to take care of yourself first. Okay? So, papunta ba sa commitment tong connection mo dito? If you are asking me, if papunta ba sa commitment itong person na to na nagloko or humanap ng iba, well, I don't think na this person is worth of your time. You need to focus on your finances, on yourself, heal yourself, okay? Uh, focus on your career. Kasi, if ito ang pagpukusan mo kaysa dun sa may lost or sa may five of cups, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, magpasalon ka, mag-relax ka, automatically lalapit sa'yo yung karapat-dapat na person kasi you already love yourself. You heal yourself. Okay? Kaya yung maa-attract mo is yung soulmate mo talaga na emotionally stable, hindi yung ganitong trauma yung ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Pile number two. So, let's see. I'm so sorry guys kung medyo straight to the point ako dun sa messages. Pero, I think this is meant to be na marinig mo. Okay? If you look at this card, someone here is it can be crying or emotional, okay. Still crying, still healing, okay. So if you have a trauma again doon sa relationship or sa past na nangyari sa you need to heal first, okay. So ano ba yung messages sa pile number 2? Reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. Nakakatuwa. Kasi it is highly resonated talaga sa energy na nababasa natin. So, trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. So, if this person is not for you, it is for the best. Okay? Kung nag-cheat man tong person na to, it is for the best. Kung mapakinggan mo man ngayon tong reading na to, it is for the best. So, sabi dito, love yourself first. Okay? Forgive. And you need to learn. Okay? So, last message for you is playfulness. Laughter is the best therapy. Have some fun together and remember, love is the greatest healer. Ano sabi ko? You can be healing. You can have crying pa. You are crying. Okay? Meron akong nararamdaman dito na you are still on the process of healing. Okay? O pwedeng ina-isolate mo yung sarili mo, ginagawa mong numb yung sarili mo. Hindi ibig sabihin dito na mahalin mo pa rin yung person kahit na tinatarantado ka or what. By loving yourself, love is the greatest healer. Love yourself, okay? Kasi it will heal you. Okay? Nakukuha nyo guys? Have fun. Not together. Together with yourself, okay? Have fun with yourself, di ba? You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So, enjoy alone, okay? So, hindi masama ang maging single because, it is for the best nga, di ba sabi dito sa card. So, unfortunately, wait lang guys, inom lang akong tubig, nanunuyo yung lalamunan ko. Unfortunately, If you are asking the card right now, if yung connection nyo ba is papunta sa commitment, ang masasabi ko lang is you need to have a commitment to yourself. Yun lang. And mag-heal ka muna. Then, saka mo ngayon i-manifest kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. There is a big potential here for a new start. And marami kang choice. Okay? Hindi lang kung sino man yung person sa mind mo, pile number 2. So, I think this is mostly a no. Okay? For some of you. Kasi sabi dito, give each other some space. So, yung break up, yung hiwalay, yung paghihiwalay, take charge, okay? So, use the time to improve yourself, to heal yourself, to love yourself, okay? Kasi soon, kung ano man yung dinidesire ng heart mo, kusa mo naman maa-attract eh. Kasi sabi nga 'di ba, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. So if it's not, it's not. Hindi natin mo force yun. And always remember that all will work out for the best. Okay, so pa number 2, unfortunately, this is a no. Okay, para sa akin, para sa akin. Kasi you're still healing. Ang pinaka-advice dito is you need to focus on yourself first. So enjoy the time alone. Okay? Yung space. Okay? So I hope nag-resonate sa'yo pile number 2 yung reading natin. Kung hindi man, ayos lang. Okay? Leave a comment kung resonated sa'yo to. And para sa mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, please subscribe sa channel natin para mas lalo pang lumaki yung community natin and ma-reach natin yung 5,000 subscriber. Pag na-reach natin yung 5,000 subscriber, meron akong gift na ibibigay sa inyo. So, pipili tayo. Okay? Nang mabibigyan nung item na yon. Okay? So, guys, maraming salamat. This is Maria, Intuitive Tarot Reader, and this is Luna Tarot. Okay? So, abangan nyo pa yung ating upload sa mga susunod na araw. Happy Wednesday sa inyong lahat. Bye!